In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Cloudflare Turnstile to WPForms. By the end, you'll have a clean, user-friendly CAPTCHA on your forms that helps block bots without annoying real visitors. First, head to your Cloudflare dashboard and log in. Look for the Turnstile section. Click Add Site or Add Widget to create a new widget. Give it a descriptive name that makes sense to you, and enter your website's domain as the host name so Cloudflare knows where this widget will be used. Next, choose your widget mode. Managed is a great default for most sites, because Cloudflare automatically decides whether a challenge is needed, keeping things smooth for genuine users. Non-interactive and invisible are available if you want a more hands-off visual experience, but managed balances usability and protection well. Once you confirm, Cloudflare will generate two keys, a site key and a secret key. Copy both and keep them somewhere safe. Never share these publicly. You'll paste them into WordPress next. Now switch to your WordPress dashboard. Go to WPForms, then Settings, and open the CAPTCHA tab. From the CAPTCHA type options, select Cloudflare Turnstile. You'll see fields for your site key and your secret key. Paste each key into its matching field, making sure there aren't any extra spaces. Before saving, take a moment to configure the optional settings. You can customize the fail message that appears if verification doesn't pass, which helps users understand what to do. Choose a style. Auto will follow your site's color scheme, while light or dark lets you control the appearance directly. If you've got other scripts on the page and notice conflicts, enable no conflict mode, but only if you need it. When everything looks good, click Save Settings to lock it in. With Turnstile connected, it's time to add it to a form. Go to WPForms, then All Forms, and click Edit on an existing form, or create a new one. Inside the form builder, look under Standard Fields for the Turnstile field. Drag and drop it into your form, typically near the Submit button, so users see it right before sending their entry. Positioning it at the end helps keep the flow natural and ensures it runs just before submission. That's it. You've linked Cloudflare Turnstile to WPForms, configured your preferences, and added the field to your form. Your site now benefits from smarter bot protection with minimal friction for real users.